Arpology by Arpology is the next step in music production. They have created the first combined instrument and MIDI effect for arpeggiated and sequenced instruments. Arpology called this the Step Animator, a fusion between the traditional arpeggiator and Step Sequencer, allowing you to sequence both melody and rhythmic drum grooves in one engine, combined in an instance of the Kontakt 5 player. There are 550 instruments and 150 Step Animator preset patterns to boost your workflow and inspire your creativity, as well as included support for Touch OSC. Hello and welcome back. My name is Kruse, speaking to you today on behalf of JoshuaCasper.com and Arpology. All music and effects that you will hear today in this video come from Arpology only. Arpology, in my mind, has three main areas. We have the Step Editor, which is where we sequence all our instruments in real time. Next, we have effects for each individual instrument, including delays, reverbs, wavetables, and distortion. If you have access to the full version of Kontakt, you can also create macro controls. Finally, we have our individual instruments to choose from. We can combine these to create multi-instruments, or we can use any of the ready-made multis and one-note glories. Multi-instrument stacks combine various instruments sharing the same key map. Its transposition is set to 0, meaning you can play many keys at once. A one-note glory has a program melody. It sounds great using one note, but will move out of key if you plan on playing more than one note. The Step Animator is the focus of Arpology. It gives us total control on a per-step basis for up to 128 steps. Each step is in a row with the corresponding functions organized in a column below and a blue circle above that lights up when each step is active. I'm going to latch the arpeggiator and let's take a quick look at some of the functions as well as the playback presets. I've loaded Draft Punk from the Electronic Instrument Bank. Let's latch the Step Animator and we'll randomize the length, arp type, transposition and duration, pan, and the scale we tune the transposition component to. Let's take a look at the effects modules that comes included in each instrument. This is our main view, which includes a global volume envelope and master high and low cut, as well as compression and EQ. If we turn the compression on, we'll add some nice body to the sound, as well as adding some highs in the EQ. Next, I want to add some delay and reverb. Let's add short reflections, which creates a really nice effect for drums. And finally, some reverb. We can choose between digital and convolution. Currently, we have digital active. Convolution sounds great as long as you balance the dry and wet. Next, we have our mixer, triggers and LFOs. The mixer gives us 3 global parameters. Our triggers give us 6 predetermined effects we can apply. Our LFOs are global to the instrument. Let's apply one to volume. Next, let's take a look at the wavetable synthesizer. We have a number of waves to choose from: an ADSR, a mixer and a transpose button. It follows the input that you play. Next, let's head over to our lo-fi effect. This is a bit crusher. Distortion gives us a typical drive and saturation controls. Finally, let's apply a reverse reverb. Let's also take a look at the pitch effect. Pitch allows us to sequence the pitch in up to 3 octaves. It also gives us control over our mod wheel. These little blue circles next to each effect allow us to sequence the effect. Let's also do the same for the filter, which gives us control over low and high frequencies as well as resonance and velocity. That concludes my overview of Arpology by Samplelogic. If you would like to see more videos like this one, don't forget to subscribe, and if you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up. Be sure to check out the links below for information on how to purchase this product. My name is Kruse on behalf of JoshuaCasper.com.